This Engineering is Elementary digital how-to will demonstrate the use of boom, absorption, and removal materials from lessons 3 and 4 of A Slick Solution, Cleaning an Oil Spill. This how-to will first show you the materials needed for lesson 3 for one group of 3 students. You will also see how these materials are used with the oil mixture from lesson 3, though the same methods apply for lesson 4. For lesson 3, each group of 3 students will need 1 rubber band, 12 inches of yarn, 1 coffee filter, 1 2-inch by 2-inch square of sponge, 1 2-inch by 2-inch square of nylon, 1 2-inch by 2-inch square of felt, 1 cotton ball, 1 pipette, and 1 plastic spoon. For lesson 3, use a half teaspoon measure to add the oil gently to the water so that it floats on the surface in a large circle. To test the boom materials, the rubber band and yarn, students should gently place the material into the cup so that it is surrounding the floating oil. Once the boom is in the water, students should time 30 seconds and observe how much oil crosses over the boom. To test the absorption materials, the sponge, felt, nylon, cotton, and coffee filter, students should gently touch the material to the oil on the surface of the water. Students should count 1 and then gently remove the material from the oil and observe how much oil was removed. Used materials should be discarded in a bowl. To test the pipette, students should squeeze the bulb, stick the tip of the pipette just below the surface of the oil, and release the bulb to suck up oil. Liquid waste should be discarded in a bowl.